9-inch display. Both are powered by the new A19 Pro chip with 6-core GPU
Alright,
and
we're
cooled by
approaching the
integrated
first
Apple
area
design vapor
24,
chamber for better sustained performance.
463.
Both feature the
Getting
all-new
very close
aluminum
to it.
unibody design for increased durability
Wow,
and are now
still like
protected by
20
ceramic
points
shield on the
away,
front and back, making the back 4 times more cracker resistant. They have our best ever camera system with 3 48 megapixel fusion rear cameras
20
and the
points
longest
away,
ever
and it looks
optical
so
quality
close
zoom
on
in
the
an
chart.
iPhone thanks to the
That's
new
just giving me a bit
telephoto
of
lens.
perspective.
Not to mention, iPhone 17
Yeah,
Pro
you
Max
might
is
wanna
our
size
best
down.
battery life ever. They're all amazing options, so I
Might
suggest
wanna
starting by
size
narrowing
down.
things down.
Market
iPhone 17,
moving quite a
iPhone
bit.
Air, or iPhone 17
Yeah.
Pro?
You okay there?
I'm just a little bit stuck on which one to
Give me a
get.
bit of
Not to
perspective
worry.
on how big
I'm here
these
to help you
candles are.
decide.
Here we go. All
Follow
right,
me.
touching that area. Let's see if buyers all
I
can
really am
defend
stuck.
this area. I'm not looking to buy it, to be honest. I don't like how much sellers there are, but I'm just
Order
interested to
filled.
see if any of these there.
First up
Ooh,
on the
lots of
which
buyers
iPhone
coming
should I
in now.
get list
They're getting
are
absorbed
iPhone
a bit.
17 Pro and iPhone 17 Pro Max.
Are
We leveled up
stalling a
its
little bit. Are they
design
gonna
from the
break
inside
through?
out to unlock our best ever performance and new capabilities.
Huge buyers
It's the
coming
one
in.
you're looking for
But
if you want the
they
most
get
powerful iPhone.
eaten up very
maxed out
quickly.
with
It
the
jumped
most
to
features.
like 400 and then went down to 134.
Oh my god.
They
iPhone
got
17
eaten up
Pro is the
quick.
first iPhone with a forged
They just took
aluminum
all that
unibody
liquidity
design.
from the
Rolls
buyers,
over.
converted it to
And
sales.
durable.
Yeah,
And that's not the only place iPhone 17 Pro is upping its game.
still in that area
iPhone
though.
17 Pro
20
has our
points.
most powerful pro camera system ever, with 3 48
next
megapixel
area,
rear cameras
24,
for even more
438.
professional looking images.
I think there's going to be a reaction there, like a bit more of a decent reaction.
Its new telephoto camera includes a larger sensor,
Let's see what happens.
enabling
So
8x
close to it
optical
now.
quality zoom for the first time.
Mark
Plus,
out my
iPhone
chart.
17 Pro gives you the Hollywood quality output you
24.
expect from a Pro.
438.
That's
438.
I gotta show this to my friends.
And it
You're not
goes
gonna
all the
believe
way
where
down
I am.
to
The new center stage front camera lets you do
24,406.
just
So
that.
it's quite a big,
It's loaded with
quite a
cool
big
new
area.
features, like center stage for photos and dual capture, which lets you record the scene and your reactions
What
at the same
happens in that
time.
area.
Both
Buyers
features are
still
available
coming
on
in.
every new iPhone. As you
They
can
get
see,
eaten up very
iPhone
quickly.
17
We've got
Pro is
300
a complete
contracts.
powerhouse.
Ooh, drop down
It
straight
also
to
has the new
100.
A19
The
Pro
sellers
chip
just
that takes things to the
absorbed
next
it
level thanks to
like
a
that.
high-performance
This is,
6-core GPU with neural
this is a lot of
accelerators.
sell.
This chip
People
is
want-
so
alright, we
powerful.
just touched that
We
area.
designed an equally powerful
See the
cooling system
reaction.
to match. The integrated
I'm hoping there'd be a
Apple-designed
pullback
vapor
and then
chamber,
I can get in
which helps
short.
move heat away from the chip
don't really
so
wanna
it stays
buy it,
cool
but-
and you can keep gaming.
Alright, let's see how
I
it
did,
reacts in this area.
iPhone
I
17
did get
Pro's
short
new
a
internal
cattle
design
contract
creates
real
space
quick.
for
I
even
wanted
bigger
to pay
battery,
attention
giving
to
iPhone
this
17
for the
Pro
early
breakthrough battery
morning,
life
first 15
and
minutes
iPhone
or
17
so.
Pro Max, the best battery life
Getting
ever on
short,
iPhone.
there's a lot of
Can never have
liquidity
too much
down
juice.
below,
Oh,
so I'm
thank
just
you.
looking to see if we can't
just
sweep
had
through
one.
some liquidity in the early morning here. We might just
So, how's that
there's a
decision
little
coming
range
along?
that's been playing
Has
out the
iPhone
last
17
8
Pro
minutes
made
or
an
so, so
impressive
just
first
getting
impression?
in.
It definitely took my breath
Not
away.
too crazy of a
Maybe you
stop
need
or
a little
anything,
more
and see if
air.
we can't capture
Come with
something
me.
here.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Have fun, guys.
Got a bit of sellers.
We can-
Stuff filled.
It's a whole new choice to the table.
Sorry.
Damn, I should have really got out.
No, I was gonna say we can switch to like Tony's screen or something if we want to show the Nasdaq while I'm in my cattle trade, or we can just show my
It's
cattle trade. I
powerful
don't
beyond
mind. But
iPhone Air's
it's
thin
more
design
exciting
houses the
for
new
the
A19
viewers
Pro
to
chip
see Nasdaq.
that ups performance and efficiency with an immersive 6.5-inch display.
All right, the
the
buyers have defended that area quite well. They're coming in aggressive. Again, I don't want to buy it. I'm not buying in this market.
iPhone
I'm
Air is
hoping
also
this
more
is the start
durable
of a
than any
pullback.
previous iPhone.
We get a
It
little,
features a titanium design with the new ceramic shield 2 on the front,
you know, some
making it
kind
3
of
times more scratch
push up,
resistant.
so I
The
can
back
short it.
also has ceramic shield.
Definitely should have got out right there.
Quick.
So light, I forgot I was holding it.
What was that?
Not to
This might be
worry.
one of those
Luckily,
days where it just
iPhone
keeps
Air's
flooding
ultra-thin
down.
design is incredibly durable, even if it
It's
takes
going
a
to be
tumble.
like no
Next, you're gonna
real
tell me it's one
pullbacks
camera
to
does it all.
jump in.
I'm so glad
I
you
really
brought
hope
that up.
it's not like that because that's going to really suck for me.
Order filled.
Let's see if we don't get eaten up here.
Huge volume coming in though from the buyers. They're just instantly getting cover. Everyone is just eating up though. Anyone who buys, they're just eating it up. I'm like, yes, I want to sell. I want to sell. I want to sell. Give me your buy order so I can get in for a sell. It's literally what's happening. Just want more.
Guys, you just check the poll out real quick. Where do you think Daryl is? that's the poll.
Mid-80s.
I think he's back He should be here any minute, though, guys. I will say, chat. Daryl will be here any minute. He's just needed a few minutes. He'll be on. So funny though. Holy, what a poll! Might be the best poll that we've ever had on PaidPex.
Oh, we're gonna get hit.
Can't catch a break here.
Stop filled.
Come on, give me a push up. They are stalling here. They are starting to stall, the sellers. So that area is kind of, I think on a normal day, if it wasn't that strong, the sell pressure, we would have a decent push up in that area.
Order filled.
So I've got to hand it to them. They're fighting off the sellers quite well, considering how many sellers there are.
See if we can get back up to here.
Cattle right now is just fighting in this range. It's trying to decide a lot of
At least.
all of a sudden,
See if
a
we
lot
can
of
break,
offers started
get
coming
some of
in
that back.
to the downside, to the upside. Just a lot of fighting. So this trade might be over soon, folks, for the cattle, and then I'll focus back on that ES.
It's all right. At least you're getting in there.
Stop filled.
Oh, yeah.
Ouch.
Gold also to the downside this morning. Gold also to the downside. We've already come down about since 9:30 a.m. We've come down over about $15 an ounce already again. So more downside.
Order filled.
Got it short.
Yeah,
Nice.
I'm gonna get in a short.
I pushed up. As I hit flat and it pushed up, I was up like 600 and I got out 114. What a I can't say that word, but yeah, I can't say that word, but I really want to say it. All right, those buyers are stronger than expected. If I
Come
hit
on,
flat
get
in
up
like
there.
0.5 seconds earlier, I would have been up like 500-600. Bastardador.
All right, we may take some big short here. The big short for the day.
Would be a bad idea, to be honest, considering. Let's see what's going on in footprint. Is this area filled yet? If not, I mean, ideally, I would
Stop
prefer to
filled.
drop to 24,500. That would be
Yeah, and then object.
perfection. Yeah, just boom. Just drop.
Short one more up here.
I gotta say, I'm surprised the buyers are actually able to reject that area. Like, considering how many, it wouldn't have been a bad long, to be fair, but it would have been risky as well, just because the sellers are ridiculous.
Damn it.
Yeah,
All right.
no mercy, these sellers.
Kind of screwed myself there.
Yeah.
These buyers are making decent progress.
We'll see if they can hold.
Shocked.
Yeah.
I mean, I still think it will drop a bit more, but like that's still a pullback. It's more than I expected. All right, we'll just start looking at potentially getting in for it soon. See on the footprint. We're getting to 24,500.
Man.
Ooh, what happened there? What
Yes, is
happened there?
eating through some liquidity. Sheesh.
Seriously.
Eating.
What happened there? 260, 219, 225, 1.
Short one more. Short three. Come
Nice.
on. Come on, NASDAQ. We got the ruler out. Let's go.
Order filled.
It's getting super technical in here.
Like it.
I think Daryl is, yeah, he's going to be here any second. Daryl.
There he is.
Stuff filled.
Good morning, everybody.
Holy
I
smokes.
apologize. I apologize.
No worries.
We missed your
But
presence.
I'm here. I know. I just heard Tony saying it's getting very technical and it's quiet as heck. I don't know what's going on. Little sell-off here.
We're in some trades. Yeah.
Good. That's
Little
good.
setup.
Order filled.
We're in that area now.
I know.
See what it does. 150, 35. There's no absorption. Damn, these buys came out of nowhere. This could be a reversal, guys.
I know.
This could be a reversal. I can't believe that area had that much of an impact. I did not expect it to have that much of an impact. Otherwise, I would have got in long. I would have bought. Damn. All right. Well, they've just cleared that area. Let's see. Still think there's opportunity potentially to short it. Let's just see. See what it wants to do.
Yeah, coming up on the 50 period EMA on the 1 minute chart here, testing it. And on the 5 minute chart for the NQ, Tony, I see the 9 period. I mean, it's super early, but 24.555. So coming up to that. I mean, it's far away from where we are now, but yeah.
This poll.
Oh no, we're coming down.
Yeah, have you seen it? It's brilliant, isn't it?
That's pretty funny.
It's so good.
That's funny. All right. Boy, you got my bearings here.
Oh, just for
that I answered
context,
back
this
this time.
account here,
Stop
we're just gonna
Phil.
try and pass here the next day or two. We've got today, tomorrow, and Friday, so we're just gonna kind of go pretty deep.
The responses,
See what we
the
can
choices
do.
were fantastic.
Order filled.
Oh, yeah. All right. Is that the exhaustion move?
Missed it.
A lot of sellers.
It was.
A lot of sellers. Whoa. Here we go.
How did I miss it? I was waiting. And it just happened so quick, that bearish candle, just boom. And I don't want to chase it. It's fine. I'll wait for the next one. The next cycle. That's so annoying, man. Missing a trade is worse than just getting stopped out, I'll tell you that.
Feels like it. I know.
It does. Every part of me now just wants to jump in, but it's silly. Like, oh wow.
Yep.
I don't know. Oh, wait, I'll be breaking my own rules. It's not the right way to do it.
That's where the trading maturity comes in. That's where, you know, you've been in for a while.
It's early.
I know. Oh, that would have been such a good short, man. Oh.
See if it can stick around. Yeah, you gotta go, NASDAQ. You got to go.
You've got to go. Go, go, go. Is that a song? I feel like it is a song. You've got to go.
You can make it a song. I feel confident that you'll make it into a song.
Oh, NASDAQ, you came and you left without
There you go, Barry Manilow. That's good stuff. That's good. And I needed you more than ever. Oh, NASDAQ.
Here we go. Come on. Come on, NASDAQ. Come on. Yes.
Left without me, NASDAQ. How could you? How could you? Just go back up again a bit so I can jump in.
No,
Don't
go
leave
down.
me. Come back one more time. Sorry, your stops can handle it. Just go up a little bit. Let me jump in, and then we
No,
all
I
flood
can't.
down.
I don't like it. If it stays up, I don't really like it as much.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
NASDAQ. NASDAQ, I'm your friend. Come on. For old time's sake.
For old time's sake.
For old time's sake. Come on, Nazi. There we go. There we go. Good boy. Yay. There we go. Keep going, NASDAQ.
Oh, NASDAQ.
Don't do it.
Jeez, my God.
Come
The
on.
Oracle is talking to you.
K in this trade.
The Oracle has spoken. You know that.
To be honest, I think we might have bottomed out, actually. I'm starting to... I don't know. Nah. We're still good. We're still good.
No, I don't like it.
It's a tough one, man. It's a tough one to call. I almost feel like this. Nah. It'll be. It can go up a bit, but I think as high as it went is about as high as it will go.
My entry is a resistance.
Well,
Go on.
if we bottom for now, what caused the reversal? That's the question.
No idea, but a nice gap in volume. That's what it was. Beautiful little gap. I should have really longed it. When I saw those heavy buyers come in, I should have longed it in that area. That was technically what I should be doing, but my mind was telling me, no, it's too bearish to long it.
All right, here we go, baby. Here we go.
Oh, NASDAQ.
66.
All right, this is where it's just gonna go right through the
There
floor.
you go, Tony.
Okay,
You're gonna
Right
get
through
your...
the floor.
Gonna get your trade.
One can only hope.
Maybe. Yeah, we'll see.
Maybe. God.
Oh,
It's so
NASDAQ.
ridiculous. Because
Yeah,
my
this is
stop is way too
annoying.
tight for any of it to play out. Like, it's got to break down now. Like, I could get stopped in a loss, but then we could just go down a little bit later.
Thinking let's just see a nice little dip down to 24,250 on the day. Just another 200 or so points here on the ES. ES go down to 66.10. That's what I'm looking for. 66.10 on the
That's what I'm
ES.
looking for too. That's what I was looking at too. The 66.10, the bottom of the range of whenever it was back there. But it also coincided with another. Yeah, Fed, exactly. But we, where we bounced is kind of like, you could call it a value area low of sorts of that day. But to me, the profile when it changes like that, I don't know if it holds water. Like when Powell comes out or any kind of major announcement and it changes the market, like it almost resets it midday, right? So it'd be a little misleading. But I don't know. If it's gonna go, it's gonna go.
I don't see this area holding that much longer, to be honest. I think we will blow through it. We will be going down. That's my feeling here now. We're almost filled these gaps, so
Yeah.
I'll just wait. next cycle, or if there's a nice push up, I can sell it again.
Let's see what happens. I don't know.
How is everyone doing? Robert, Yanis, Mo A, Frank Reimer, Davis Darcy. What a name, Davis Darcy.
I see.
Phillips yours. Everyone is here. How is everyone doing in the chat? Let us know what you're trading today.
Come on.
Did you catch the short on NAS or ES or anything? Let us know.
That wick makes me
Existing
feel like
home
it's gonna go
sales
down.
was just caused that little spike. Wasn't expecting really much out of that, to be quite honest.
It came out early. I saw that, and the report came early, right? It was supposed to be now, and it was like 15 minutes ago or something when that occurred. I was looking at that too, Paul. I don't know. Sometimes they do
Yeah.
that. They'll report early, but I can't see that
That's
as
interesting.
holding this thing up, though. I can't.
Cool.
Glad I had my stop where my original I'm glad I kept my original stop there because that was a nice little wick to the upside. Let's hold here. Come on.
Point of control's down here at the ES right now, sitting right at like
I don't like it that
66.38. Now we're coming back off this.
Come on.
Coming back up to view up. Yeah. Wow.
That stopped out there.
I just barely held in. I got a tick away from being stopped. I mean, it looks like it wants to go up, though. I'm probably going to get stopped out here in a second.
Crazy. This is all right. What
Opportunity to potentially short if we.
What made it do this? I need to find out.
Yeah, I just got stopped. All right.
Lots of buyers coming in. That's good, I guess. For now. It's not bad. Let's see how those buyers get absorbed, if they do at all.
Order filled.
Holy hell, this thing is coming apart.
It's a lot of bias.
Jeez.
Alright, let's label out these areas. It's a really nice area there.
Alright, if it doesn't
Get there.
fall here, we're pretty much
We get in for a rematch.
getting ripped up here.
Come on, just a little bit more.
You know, it turned
It'll be
like in
shy
the
now.
ES, it got down there, it reversed, but there's certainly buyers sitting at the bottom, but not a crazy amount. I'm looking for a reason, and sometimes we don't just have reasons. I don't see a reason for this outside of the market doing what it wants to do. There's obviously bigger players at bay here. But yeah, very, very strange.
I think there's too many people trying to short the
Bigger
allow it to
players.
just go down.
At Baywatch.
Pop it
I
down.
think we're just gonna get ripped up right here, to be honest.
Uncle Sam. Uncle
Bigger
Sam.
trades.
Bigger position size.
Bigger profits. Papa Sam.
Yeah, let's see if we can't hold it here.
Come on, buyers. Let's see what you got. Let's see what you have in store for us today. Alright, we're getting to that area. Very good. Like that. I don't like that. We'll see. This should still be a reaction. As long as those sellers come in. What's the cumulative looking like? Haven't checked it. Ooh, wow, okay. That dropped a lot. Like 2,000 contracts to the buy side just went up. Bloody hell. I don't know about that anymore. starting to tell me this could reverse. Whew, there's a lot of
The
buy
double
volume.
bottom on a.
All right, let's see what it does here. Let's see what it does. Are the sellers going to come in? That's the question. Are there going to be sellers?
Interesting.
Are they going to sell? That is the question. Damn, those buyers. I haven't seen no sellers yet. Like they just don't exist anymore.
Yeah, pretty crazy.
14, 215. There's no real absorption. Buyers are coming in strong. Wow. Tiny bit, but nothing. They're not really moving it. Yeah, this is. Hate to say, this could be a buyer's market now. Which means I have to wait for another pullback to the downside now. Ah, what is going on?
Ouch.
Come on.
I don't
Ouch,
know.
ouch, ouch.
This is a legit reversal in that area. Jeez Louise, look at that buyers coming in. Wow.
Oh, we jumped in right at a
Still-
zone of resistance.
Still very strong. Wow. Dude.
Order filled.
We're just gonna get out there.
Grasping to find out what is causing this. Nothing, man. I mean,
Alright, give us a pullback. I'm flipping my
I mean,
buyers.
like Paul said, it's not existing home sales, but that's not this at all.
Oh, not this for sure. That was just the
No
initial,
way.
that whatever that 10-second wick was,
Maybe
that's all
held
that
it.
was, and then that went away. Yeah, then it was just like, okay, now what does the market think? But we are rotating back into range of that Fed day. So 66.51 in the ES is the lower standard deviation of one standard deviation. Move
Come on, give me
down
this. Give me
volume
this. Give me this.
that day. So we are popped back in 66.60 again. Like we could just be going right back to point of control of Fed day. Yeah.
I actually don't like this struggle.
It's kind of neutral. Feels relative.
Get me out of this.
I mean, technically double bottom, I guess, on the ES.
No, come on, give me that.
I mean, we're coming back up to the open.
Yeah. Where is the open? Oh man, yeah, you're right. We're almost back at the open.
No, we're gonna get hit.
Didn't even spot that. Ah, that's a good idea. I'll have to check out cumulative to see how that's affected.
Close, close. Damn it.
If we're back to the open, where is it? Oh, come on, load you. Stupid chart. Come on. Alright, we were at 3.9 on the open. Now we're at 2.2. Damn, that's all the sellers gone. Sellers are out of the market.
Yep.
This is a buyer's market.
Good morning, Sapec, or good evening, wherever you are. Yeah, the chat. I know everyone's trying to figure out what's going down here with this nice reversal, but just don't
Shit, jump in
just
now.
don't try to predict or FOMO into anything here. Just sometimes there's no reason for anything. It's just it's the randomness
Push
of
up.
trading. But
Push up to the rest.
for to reverse, come back and rotate back again. There's quite a lot of volume doing this. Man,
Oh, yeah.
now there's a lot of sellers coming in right here at the top, like 1,000 contracts in the ES sitting here. Between where we're at, around 55, all the way up to 60, so 5 points. Oh man, buyers are
Eating for a
The buyer's market.
sellers
daily
are
VWAP right
Yeah,
now.
they're- Whoa.
Damn, there it
Huge
goes right
buyers.
through that.
Huge
Look,
buyers.
sellers pulled.
Woo.
Sellers pulled also. So sellers gave up that
So
position.
we're at break even there.
Huge
Man,
buyers.
Alright.
406 67 on one area.
This is
Okay,
That's
we
massive
get a.
for the
That's a
Nasdaq.
big loss there, but
It's big for the yes.
Gigantic.
we're trying to pass in the next. We have today, tomorrow,
That is a
and then the first.
T-Rex. Jeez.
Wow.
The 29th of Monday, which isn't really a good
This isn't the Nasdaq.
day
This is Jurassic
to try
Park
and
now.
do this. So I think we're just gonna try to pass today. That's about it.
Wow.
Bitcoin has also rallied off of its. It tanked. Bitcoin was tanking in the first 15 minutes, and then
Order
bounced
filled.
off of 110.6, and now is back up to above a 111 here. So, for any of those Bitcoin traders,
I think we're gonna hugely rally at least to
Bitcoin.
2627.
all right. Oh,
Maybe. All right.
Papa Sam.
Whew,
To
look
get
at
it long,
this.
by the way.
Go.
This
Look
is
at these
our-
buyers rip
Got
through
it
this.
long. I got
These
it
buyers are
long with 6 contracts.
very strong.
Very nice.
$1,000. I'm happy.
Holy
There
hell.
you go.
So much for the initial open.
Oh,
Yeah.
Wow.
But notice
Wow.
to the chat, you know, notice how quick we were able to identify, hey, this is a reversal now. You know,
oh yeah.
we're all shifting into a bullish side now. No one's trying to short it anymore. I mean, potentially we might short it again if it starts showing signs of that.
Yeah. Yeah.
You gotta be able to switch your bias quickly once the market shows you. You know, you just look at the evidence.
Right.
All right. This is what we're going for, guys.
It's a 30-point run. 30-point run in 10 minutes. Just very, very, and it wasn't in a hurry. It was just a nice melt up, almost like a short squeeze. Just, man, damn. And now is it rolling over? That was,
All right, some heavy sellers coming in again.
We're gonna look for another entry
I'm still
somewhere in
very
here.
bullish on this, to be honest.
Yeah, buyers came right in just like that. Boom. Yeah. Unreal.
I'm still bullish on this. The size of those buyers that came in, that was huge. I think we're just seeing a bit of profit taking because we're near a high. Naturally, a lot of those buyers will be like, "Yep, let's take a bit of money out of the market."
Yep.
Look at that perfect W on the 1 minute chart. Literally,
I know.
it's like
That's what I'm-
perfection. The way
I know.
it's written.
I know. It's exactly right. Exactly right.
This is one of the few long setups that Troy looks for. When he sees the W, he likes to possibly get long, so
Yeah.
he'd be salivating for the sake of his 20% of trades
Telling
is
you.
actually coming true, where he could take advantage. Yeah.
He's gonna come home and he's gonna be like, God, I miss the good days. I'm telling you. Oh man, what in the hell? I mean, we have Fed speakers are talking, but that with my son.
We haven't really got much. Excuse me.
Yeah. I mean, I'm just sitting in another short cattle trade here, so I'm sitting in a short cattle trade while the equities kind of play out a little bit. Maybe I'll take a look at gold too.
capital.
That is me.
This is where I'm looking to get in.
You know what you're getting on.
What is the Daily Mail saying, Tony? Tony, what's the Daily Mail saying? Is it saying anything?
I know.
Like,
It's not saying anything about
Jeez.
this.
That's what I mean. I know.
I am,
Like,
I am having a rough one here. Should have definitely longed that market earlier. But
yeah, but after
hopefully, I mean, the
All
daily
right,
VWAP,
here we go.
Sessions VWAP looks like it's holding up, and obviously now we're pushing through. So okay.
I don't think anyone
6.
wanted to long that market when we were down at the bottom.
no, I wouldn't
Like
think so.
I figured there would be a reaction. I figured
Yes.
we'd see a little reaction, potential scalp to go up. I did not
And
expect a
continue
reversal.
and they continue to move. Right.
Mm-hmm.
Exactly.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm with you on that.
Push it, push it. Let's go. Oh wait, I need to make more than that because I had a loss. Okay.
Just can't predict the market sometimes. Damn, look at
Get
it.
that extension. Let's go,
Volume.
Nasdaq.
Tony getting it right back.
Should have gotten long.
Always.
That's it.
I'm in the other accounts too. Just on a different screen.
Yeah.
Those ones are taken care of.
Nice.
Tony
So
fast.
I'll have Daryl calculate the P&L. I'll just read them off to him. And he'll get his calculator out. Daryl will just get angry.
Ooh, I should have stayed
Daryl,
in. I
what's
should have
the
stuck
angry
to my
Daryl?
guns,
What does
man.
that even look like?
I don't know. Have you seen Angry Tony? I don't think you've seen Angry anybody. We're all pretty calm,
I
cool,
don't know.
collected.
Maybe one time where the market was just not behaving appropriately. And
Should've stayed in.
Well, I certainly get frustrated. I get frustrated, but I get frustrated with
Ooh,
myself.
what am I doing? I
don't-
was
I
in a
don't
good
get
spot.
With the market, though.
We
Market-
know where it's
market-
gonna go.
market-
We're gonna go to yesterday's high. Not even the day before's high. That's where we're going up here. 100%, bro.
Come on, Nasdaq. More extension. Let's go.
780.
You wanna
Where's
go
that
up.
at?
Where's the previous day's close?
Daryl only
No.
really gets angry at like.
If we're at least going here.
Damn you,
Damn
birds!
crow, the damn
Just
crow.
wanted to get back
Damn
in.
crow, dude. I swear to God.
Just wanted to.
I swear. The problem with crows, though, is you know what they call a bunch of crows, like a flock. They don't call them a flock. You know what they call them?
A murder.
A death or
murder.
something.
Yes,
That's it.
a murder. A murder of crows, which is really weird. So you always have like, there's never just one. There's like a gang of them. It's like,
Well, we'll see with this one.
Yeah.
yeah, I don't know who came up
Come
with that.
on.
Murder of crow.
So crazy.
I don't know.
So crazy.
I mean, it's weird.
Whoever named
And like,
that, like, for those crows, like, what does that look like? Murder. Oh, okay, we'll just name it murder. That group of crows over there.
I mean,
yeah,
like,
doesn't
I mean,
quite
I know
make
they,
sense to me.
they like to feed on like dead carrion, but vultures do too and stuff like it. I don't know. They could call like vultures to me seem more morbid, right? A little more like, you know, they're sitting around waiting for something to die. And then they're gonna pounce, right? But I don't know, man. It's crazy.
I got in short an amount. I only did one contract on that. I just saw a bit of absorption for the buyers. But that was like a genuine 4-second scalp. That one. That was quick.
Here we go. Come on, cattle. Coco.
Alright, let's see if I can potentially look for a buy.
Man, we're good on this account.
Filled, we can get rid of
We are gonna pull this one back. I don't care how long it takes.
Control that we're trading above. We get to the point of control again. That would be a nice buy, actually. That would be very nice.
I mean, we gotta to get to the point of control. The ES, we gotta come.
On
We gotta come down 30
it's the
points.
point of control above or below. go down. You said
Below me. Below me.
yeah.
It may. I mean. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. We walked into that one.
I know we're all friendly here, but Daryl, there are boundaries.
Oh, dude, cattle's dumping. Let's go. Come on. Go.
Cattle generally do that a lot.
Oh. Touche.
Come on,
Touche.
man. Come on.
Oh my god. You stepped into that one, literally.
Man.
Come on, and chill.
Let's have a look at the chat. We missed
This is
anyone?
rough, guys. This is ugly.
Chat. Oh, we got Ray Wood in the chat. Ray Wood. He asks if the figures were good, wouldn't we expect the buyers to come in soon? That was about 14 minutes ago. He said that. I'm assuming that was something to do with you, Paul, talking about the news.
Yeah, so, you know, my thought is not necessarily, because if you're pricing in rate cuts, right, that means more liquidity in the markets, which means more ability to get money into the, like, essentially, rate cuts, believe it or not, in the short term could mean just a better market.
Let's grab that. I think we can grab that.
You could see inflation starting to come about again.
Just
and whatnot.
jump
Even though
a
you may
little
see
bit. No.
maybe you then see inflation and then a larger rollover occurs.
That was
Like,
dumb.
In the shorter term, it would be a little bit more bullish, those rate cuts. But now that all this good data is coming out, the GDP and the core vertical goods and all that stuff, there could be a little bit of hesitation about the rate cuts, which could mean
Can we get to
higher
100?
rates or, yeah, higher rates for a little
Nope,
bit
I don't like it.
longer, and then a little bit more of a liquidity suck. Then the markets continue to come down a bit. So that's kind of the thought, I think, generally speaking, or that's what my thought is. Right after that data announcement.
I thought we can grab that. I don't think.
Great morning.
No.
Markets are not, they're not practical, they're not logical sometimes. It's the market which makes it so.
Here we go.
Yeah.
I mean, I am really grasping at straws to find out what's I'm looking at earnings came out before the bell.
Did it run out of steam?
Just at 500.
Let me see what's going on here.
Surely the cumulative is positive. How is it still not positive? Yeah, we're at 1.4 to sellers.
Positive ES positive.
We're just undoing everything.
Moved it a little too far up. That's okay, because look at that. Let's see. I wanted to move this a little and then grab that and move that up.
That's going to be very interesting. And you're gonna get a decent reaction of some kind. Either lots of sellers.
I actually think we will get out of our deficit here.
My God, these buyers are coming in so strongly.
Not stopping.
That was your dip buy up. Yeah, that was the dip buy. Everybody's going to be buying everything again.
Come on.
Too funny.
Just go whoop. It might take profit.
You'll get there, Tony.
Come on.
This is one of those markets you can just walk away and relax on this one.
Oh, yeah.
The buyers are ridiculous, and I've like
grinding.
stupid amounts of contracts. They're just clearing like every stop along the way from those sellers. They're just boom, clearing it. The little bits of sells coming in. I mean, I don't know if that's just people taking money out the market or
It goes up.
fresh sellers. It might be.
Probably should have stayed in
Oh, great time to
here.
sell. But at the moment, people
You know, when I was here, I should have kept the cojones. We could have been in there pretty good.
Pop off. Come on, I need 3.8K in this. Let's go. There we go. 3.9.
Nice.
Yeah,
Very, very nice, dude.
that's a copy trader. That's the leader on the copy trade. There we go.
Follows the leader.
Yep. So we passed 150K one step challenge account. That's good.
Very nice.
Let's go.
Nice.
Is that the one you purchased or?
That's one I purchased, yes.
Very nice.
Come on, you can't be messing around here.
Definitely.
Order filled.
Just gonna go ahead
That's
and
how to
close.
do it. I mean, you see Coach Tony got, short in the beginning, was down a little bit, and then immediately, like Sam said, like the turn on a dime of
Got
the
a reverser.
perspective. Immediate turn on the dime. Understood the reversal. Now it's up $4 grand on eBay. I mean, doesn't get any more clear than that. Doesn't get any more clear
Well, that's
than that.
the other thing is that I didn't even participate in this because I was afraid that it would potentially reverse from the reversal.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
So
exactly.
that's kind of what we were talking about yesterday. Like with these trend following strategies, it's like guys, like if you really sit on your hands and wait for the setup, when it happens, it happens. Like it's just like I didn't get involved until up here. Days VWAP we were approaching, sessions VWAP. Get a break above that opening range high, and then it was that continuation. That's really where all that money was made. So again,
Yeah.
just waiting for that confirmation, and then you have like ultra confidence in the trade. You can have a 3.9K day in one account.
Absolutely.
Is it gonna come down and bounce?
Look at that, not a single pullback on that push up. I mean, like,
I wouldn't be surprised if it
decent
keeps going.
pullback. I'm not talking about. Yeah, this is insane. I'm waiting for the cumulative to hit 0, and I'll put on some size potentially if I see what I like. Because it's lovely when the cumulative crosses over and balanced again. Oh, the market always goes. Like the moves are so clean when it does happen. You just have to read the footprint to know which move it will be. You can't really like predict beforehand, like it's going to go up or down when it crosses.
Yep. Okay. Let's see.
Date that P&L, Tony. Let's show the P&L. I know you're no position.
I was just gonna say, what should we do though? Do we add them all up?
You do. So yeah, you're up what? $430,000 now.
I mean,
Oh my God, I hate myself.
how about take the P&L from the best account, whatever the highest account is.
Okay. Then it's that one. 39.85
We could.
on the screen.
What we can do actually, I'll talk to the back end. Maybe we can get this updated, where rather than it just has like P&L, it can be like count the
P&L
amount of
accounts.
accounts. So people who log
That's what Robert Mashiro was recommending yesterday. He was
Yeah.
mentioning that to Paul
So
and
they're
I
not
at
confused.
the Prime Day wrap up. Because he said that would be very beneficial. It would also help everyone identify, see if just
That
kind of
is
how
not what
the
I'm
strategy is
trading,
working with multiple accounts and prop firm and all that.
Exactly.
Yeah, because that's one thing. I don't want to be like lying and being like, yeah, that was in one trade with 15 max risk. That's like,
Yeah,
Right.
yeah.
Yeah.
that's not smart.
Do
Then you're gonna have everyone
P&L the same across all accounts? Was it the same size or was it all different?
No. So like this one is the copy trade. So 3.9K times 2, and then there's another one that has another 3,200. Another one with like 2,500. Just
like,
do the one
put
account.
your current P&L, so 3.9, and then just we'll do like X4 or whatever of the amount of accounts being copied over.
Yeah, I mean, I don't think we need to worry about like if the P&Ls aren't going to always be exact anyway. So I don't think we need to have like break it out. It just let's just say it's like he's got like 12 grand up. He could just say 12 grand over, you know, and in parentheses like four, whatever, how many accounts. It just so people understand it's a multiple.
ACCT. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, something like that. Exactly. Yeah.
Write it in the Zoom however you like.
Okay.
Put it up.
Yeah, that's cool.
Anybody else in a trade or looking at anything?
Still waiting.
I'm really fortunate that I came in late today because I would have probably gotten hammered. So I've been sitting and watching this a little bit in disbelief, but I'm going to manage to go the first full hour without taking a trade. So IB is set for me. That does not really mean anything based on how this morning has gone. Yeah, well, I lost electricity over the night, so I had to reboot.
Oh no.
My alarm, I didn't hear one. I slept with one alarm, I didn't hear the other one. That was the whole deal. I'm like, what is going on? But I came in here and everything that I was running shut down, and I've had to reboot it all. But I didn't take a trade, so maybe there was a silver lining here because it kept me out until I got my bearings. I don't know. I still
lost quite a bit of weight.
Surprised that this was first.
My watch feels really loose on me now. Really weird. It doesn't like stick to my wrist. It's like sliding on my arm. I need to get it.
Cool.
Bring it to you. Get it. What do you call it? So now you can tell. I'm getting
Oh, is it back?
thinner.
Is it coming back?
That's crazy though.
Is it ready to go?
Like that's an area of your body that you would think.
Sweet.
You know,
That's the annoying part.
I can see like
I don't
fingers.
care about. I never had fat wrists. I want this to go, man. It's like everywhere else the fat goes. On my belly, it's still like no.
You know what?
This is always how it
You're
works.
just such a traitor, Sam. You're such a traitor with your hand on the mouse and the keyboard. It's not carpal tunnel. You're just building muscles right there around your wrist, man. It's almost like a race car driver where their neck muscles are really strong and big because they're holding the G-forces in the helmet and they're just fighting it all the time. You're just strong in areas where people are not normally not. What can I tell you? Very strange. The wrist, of all things. Oh boy. Yeah. I think Robert's not feeling well.
I think we might be entering a bit of a range. I can't tell if Tony's on a phone call or if his mic's off.
Yeah.
I think
he's on a-
He's talking.
he's on a phone call.
His
He's talking to his bookie.
yeah,
He's talking to
Yeah.
talking to his bookie.
He's Romy.
wow, what a reversal on the LE there. Jeez, man.
On cattle too, man. See, this is what I'm saying. All markets are not immune.
All right, so
Here we go. The continuation.
to the upside.
All right. Is it?
Order
Boom.
filled.
That's what it feels like. Previous day's low, 66.77, 3/4. Be the next level, I guess, to try and test in the ES.
He's placing his NFL bets to the bookie. Is that true, Tony?
That is not true. I do not partake in that. I still gotta calculate my P&L. Hang on. 39.
Set it to more of a blue color.
I don't think it's ready yet.
Bullish today.
I think I just screwed up.
That looks like green. Meant to be.
It's a big one.
All right. Well, we gave
Stop filled.
it back. It's not ready yet. What did we say we were gonna wait for? Back here, right? But it is bouncing here.
Order filled.
Let's give that one a go.
Let's get our direct accounts.
Buying
I got a
more.
200K account. First 200K account that passed on the one-step challenge. So now we have an even bigger buffer.
What's up, Giannis? What is up, my friend? Are you trading? Your
Order filled.
I haven't taken a trade yet. I know you were in here asking where I was, so I got in late, and I've been in a little bit of a, I think I've been a little shell shocked watching this reversal. You know, the crazy thing is, it's not a V bottom. Like, it's not a hard reversal. This was a W. This was a double bottom. Came all the way up a good amount of the range and then fell back almost to completely retest the low of the day. Said, we'll miss it by a tick or two.
Order submitted.
Ripped 30 to 35 points up in the ES. So the only thing I can think of here is, yeah, I'm a little silent. I'm just trying to figure
Oh
out
no, did it go?
bearings. I think we just came into that
Just let you know,
that Fed
Eric is
the Fed
gone.
day. Yeah, Eric's
Okay.
gone.
Eric, take care. I'll just say goodbye to Eric.
See you later, Eric.
Have a good one. See you probably tomorrow. Sorry, Daryl, carry on.
No, you're good. Eric rakes it in. Rakes it in.
Yeah, we're ranging now for a bit. So until the market decides to come out of the range, there's not much I can do.
Order canceled.
I can just sleep. Guys.
Sounds good.
Oh yeah, that's good. Perfection. Perfecto.
Well, I can't believe we just gave that all back. That's crazy. Not all of it. We gave back some of it. That was a good trade, though.
Papa Sam's. Better ingredients.
Yeah, but I don't eat that garbage. Papa John's pizza.
Well.
Filth.
That is
Absolute
filth.
trash.
So the question is,
Bust through here.
do we get here? Do we get up to the IB and we continue higher and fill yesterday's regular session low? So come back through the overnight. I mean, oh man.
I mean, 67.05 would be essentially the top of the overnight. That would be a pretty drastic.
Order submitted.
I
I'm not talking the
Yeah.
overnight high. I'm just
okay.
looking at. Yeah. No.
Gotcha.
Because the overnight, like you were trading quiet markets, right? So we came up through the 6,700 again, the ES, which you and I were talking like, what could it, what it was going to do, right? And I kind of checked in on that later in the evening. And I'm like, oh man, maybe we're gonna fill this thing and continue to squeeze up, but we didn't, obviously. So yeah, no, I'm not. I don't want to say anything, but dude.
Mo asks,
Look, I don't think.
I'm doing the 100K challenge. The minimum required profit keeps going up. Should I stop trading for the day? How does that work? Yeah, it sounds like you've made too much money. Your consistency is above the consistency score. So essentially, yeah, stop trading.
It's a daily.
It's a daily.
The highest daily profit. So like.
Yeah. It'll keep going. I mean, it's you're new into it. If you had multiple days, it would kind of average out. But yeah, the more you're doing it, the higher you're making it right away. You're kind of shooting yourself in the foot a little bit. I mean, I shouldn't say you're shooting yourself. You just have to keep up that same profit or so. So if what you're doing today is an aberration.
Every single day.
Yeah, exactly. A high water mark or something.
Yeah.
All right, Robert. Drive safely.
Take care, Robert. Have a good one.
Well, I'm glad this market wasn't tomorrow.
All right, that's it. That was a rough day for
Probably all of us would have.
For this one.
Probably all of us would have gotten hammered.
this one right here.
Whoever we're going against.
But it's not that big of a deal. We were trying to pass because I think we're gonna get rid of the account.
Is your delta come back to?
We were supposed to
even
have a viewer on
them to trade today.
Let me check.
2 viewers.
Yeah.
No,
As if it was
drop down.
Was that two?
a live account.
Drop down back to
It
negative.
was a 50K. See, but
always
then
negative,
today's
but-
market
Yeah, I
was
don't know all
just crazy.
I don't have all the details.
Although
At the
we did
start-
do it with
Who's still
At the
in?
start of the
this
range,
one
already.
Slack.
funded account, which is gonna be fine.
I am.
Yeah. Okay.
Check this out.
Yep.
At the start of the range, right, we were at negative 1,000 contracts. We haven't gone anywhere, but we're now at negative 2.1 thousand contracts. What is that telling you?
Order filled.
This range, like 15,
This
20 minutes ago,
little-
you're talking?
Yeah, this little 1 minute. Yeah,
Uh-huh.
exactly. That's
Yeah.
telling me
Okay.
that lots of sellers are coming in. They're doing no damage
But
at
they're not
all.
moving it down.
We're gonna have a pop up.
Correct.
Mhm.
Correct. I agree.
And that
That's exactly how I see it.
Yeah.
So
I
we're
am,
getting close. We're
but-
getting close to the IB.
I'm long one ES, by the way, like as of 30 or 45 seconds ago, right before you were saying that, Sam. I got long. Yeah, just gonna look for a
I'm kind of
nice little
thinking
pop
what
up
you're thinking,
here.
Paul. I'm thinking what you're thinking,
66.77.
except I'm 3 points away from the IB high for the day. For me, IB 60. I kind of just want to see if we
All right, we
get
do have to
there,
go.
will we get a
All the love,
continuation
guys.
move, or will it fall back
Thanks for
down,
hanging out.
back down,
We
I
did
could
we
go
did do what we wanted to do on the funded account. We got pretty close to where we wanted to be. If we would have stuck in, we would definitely be way higher. Not a whole much higher, but we would be a lot further along. Not a lot, you know.
Gap of sorts.
I
don't
say a
call it
lot,
gap
but
'cause I factor in all the overnight. But
I was thinking the other day if we can hit 100,
one distribution
150
gauge to the next.
a day, we'd be out of this in 10 days, and then we can truck along.
So are you?
Oh,
Paul, are you still
jeepers! I wanted in.
I know Tony.
yeah, I believe.
It's all good.
Yeah, I believe
So do you guys see any
Anyways.
information there? Do you see anything about tomorrow?
I think we can make it.
I don't know. I'm not actually. No, I'm not. Apologies. I did not
Peace.
see the
be the journey
group thing.
Okay.
Still.
all the